All right, let's be honest. Procrastination is something literally everyone deals with. You've got a deadline, maybe an important project, or even just tidying up your room. And yet, somehow you find yourself scrolling, snacking, or just watching, you guessed it, YouTube videos like this one. But today I want to show you how to actually stop procrastinating step by step so you can start getting stuff done and feeling amazing about it. Step 1. Figure out what you're avoiding. Often I put things off just because I haven't actually defined what I need to do. Take a piece of paper or open up your notes app and write down exactly what you're avoiding. Is it writing an essay, finishing a report, or just starting that laundry pile? Naming it is the first step to taming it. Step 2. Ask yourself, why am I resisting this? For me, it's usually because the task feels overwhelming or I'm worried I won't do it perfectly. Once I realize that, I can break the task down. So instead of write a report, try outline 3 main points for my report. Suddenly it feels a lot more doable. Step 3. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, just do it right now. Seriously, try it with something small. You'd be surprised how much momentum you can build. For bigger tasks, commit to just starting for 5 minutes. Often once I start, I end up getting much more done than I planned. Step 4. Remove distractions. I know, easier said than done. But I like to put my phone in another room or use apps like Forest to block distracting sites. Even a little bit of friction helps me focus. Step 5. Reward yourself. After making progress, even if it's something tiny, give yourself a little treat. Maybe it's a cup of coffee, a quick walk, or yes, even a short YouTube break. The key is to associate productivity with positive feelings, not just stress. Look, procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about managing our minds and making tasks seem less scary. So next time you're tempted to put something off, remember, break it down, start small, and celebrate your wins. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to stop procrastinating on today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.